A lot of times it's just trial and error. When I started doing this at the end of 2017, yeah, I wasn't having really good luck when I first started, but I was basically learning on my own. But now, I'm pretty good at it. I don't know why people think they have to tell everybody they're the best and promise them all these crazy claims that they know they can't back up. Just why everybody can't just be honest with everyone. Rather just they would rather just take your money and either not do nothing or do very little, and then act like it's your fault. And I guess at the end of the day, it is your fault for using that person